Hi guys, I just got done filming this video and I just thought it would be really helpful to say that this did not go as expected. And I think I know why, and I don't think it's really Trunk Club's fault, but at the end of this video I do go into why I think this trunk didn't work very well. So yeah, just another plug to stick around and see where this goes. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing things a little bit differently. We are handheld and moving, so trying something a little bit different. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. But today I am doing a Boss Babe edition of Nordstrom's Trunk Club. And so today's Belle Babe shout out goes to Rachel Michelle. Thank you so much, hun. I really appreciate all your support. She's been a long time supporter of mine. And if you want to get a Belle Babe shout out of your own, stay tuned to the end of the video to find out. So the way I do Trunk Club videos is I actually style things the way the stylist tells me to suggest them. So I'm gonna be wearing lots of different outfits and not just showing you the pieces I got. So let's get started with what I'm wearing. All right, so this is my first time doing this, so forgive me if I'm looking at the viewfinder a lot, but oh, and also that I have lights on both sides. I know that's probably super annoying, but it's a really gray day today. So this is the Chelsea 28 wide popover lightweight So this is the Chelsea 28 wide leg jumpsuit. It is in black. This is a size small, and I really like it. It has this really cute detailing up top that helps really cinch in your waist. So when you're doing a wide leg pantsuit like this, you really want it to look like it's meant to be really wide here in the legs. So the more you can accentuate the waist, the more kind of stylish it looks. This is just a great piece for work. It has these great pockets right here, so if you're doing like an event or a presentation, you can have your phone in here or whatever you need. Because I'm on the shorter side, these are a bit long. I need to get them hemmed. And so with this, I've paired my Michael Kors nude pumps. They actually wanted to send these pumps to me originally, but I told them I already had them. So they took them out, but I think a lot of the things they wanted to style with these outfits would have gone really well with these pumps. And then so with this outfit, my stylist also suggested pairing this Chelsea 28 beige blazer. I believe the color is called Stone. The size is a size 6, I think. Just kidding, just looked, it's a size small. It's kind of a weird sizing. The waist is really big, but the shoulders are right, but they kind of pucker. I don't know. It's a little wrinkly. You can tell I kind of just got it out of the bag. But it is just kind of a nice cohesive look. I love beige and black together, and then of course with the nude pumps. I would probably not wear this blazer with this jumpsuit, but I liked where she was going with it. It seems like a really good combination. All right, so this next one isn't really my style, but I'm showing you anyway. I do like this blazer color. It's in kind of a light pink. It is from Gibson. It's like a cotton blend, so it's really soft, really comfortable. And so this blazer is a size small. It's a bit too big, so I don't know. It doesn't quite fit. And then I do not like it paired with this dress underneath. This one is from Allie & J. It's really soft, but it's also really thin. So it really kind of clings to every little bit of you. So I'll show you that here in a second. I have it again paired with my Michael Kors heels. So another thing I do like about this blazer is the inside of the sleeves. They have these, I don't know if you can tell, they have this really cute like pinstriping detail, and you could really easily, they're not buttoned or anything, so you can really easily fold them. And that looks really cute for like summer and spring. But I do not like this dress. I'm really nervous to show it to you. But let's do it. All right, you guys, I wasn't kidding that it shows everything. So I'm covering up my most insecure area, which is my hips, because it really clings to those. But it has this really interesting top detail. Sorry, you can see my bra. They don't really fit me all that well. This doesn't give me the executive Boss Babe vibe that this box was supposed to. So this one is definitely not staying, and it's also really expensive, so definitely not getting that. All right guys, so I know this looks like a jumpsuit, but it isn't. I'm gonna start with actually what I'm wearing underneath. I'm just wearing like a halogen navy camisole that was included because this Rachel Roy tie blouse top is completely see-through, so you definitely need to wear a camisole underneath. So you can see it has these dots, which are completely see-through the entire way, and it has this tie. You can tie it tighter if you want to. I kind of like it loose and drapey. It's a cute top. I like it. I don't like it paired with these pants. They are wide leg trousers. These are also from the Rachel Ray collection. These ones are just huge on me, and these are a size 4, so they actually do fit me in the waist. Let me show you. They don't make my waist look small at all. This entire outfit makes me look like I've put on about 50 pounds. The thing is that at the bottom of the hem, it has this really 70s like bell slit, which is really trendy right now. But at the same time, if I got it hemmed, I would lose that function. And so I did have to pair them again with the Michael Kors. I promise I did get other shoes. This whole ensemble is just really not me. So I don't know. So far, I don't know how I feel about this. I have another couple pieces that I am really excited about. So let's get to those. All right, guys, never mind. This one is a bust too. I'm really sorry to say this. I don't like being this negative. I like being honest. This is honest. This outfit, I think I hate almost everything about. So this top is from Hinge. And this is technically a gray, but it's a very green gray. And so it has like this pleating detail on it, and then it has these butterfly sleeves. It's just a really frilly outfit, and I think paired with the right kind of pencil skirt, it could work, but with these pants, it's just all wrong. These pants are skinny black pants. They're dress pants from Halogen, and they're really, really comfortable. The one thing I do not like about them, and it's a huge deal breaker, is that the waist is not forgiving. So if you tuck anything into your pants, which you do a lot for work and also because it looks good, you can see I have like these awkward lumps. Like I'd have to spend forever smoothing out those lumps, and it's just not what I want to do. Like it looks too sucked in here and too blousey here. Like this whole ensemble just looks not good. And so since I can't easily tuck things into these pants, I'm not going to be keeping them. They are really comfortable, but they do sort of show every little detail. They very much feel like yoga pants, like those work pants that are like yoga pants. But yoga pants at least have that extra stuff that keeps you in right here, which I really need for my body type. And these just sort of like, I don't know, give you a little extra pooch, which, you know, that's exactly what you want, right? So moving on down to the shoes, these are Steve Madden Talent loafers in snakeskin. They are really cute. I really like them. If you watched my video on how to pull off spring 2019 trends at work, which I will link up there, I go over how snakeskin and all the animal prints are back in fashion, and the best way to incorporate trends and things into your work fashion is through your shoes. So this is a definite way to pull off the snakeskin trend at work and at the same time still being really sophisticated. So these are great shoes. So yes, at least I do really like the shoes. I don't know where to start. I'm really surprised by this experience with Trunk Club. I thought for sure the executive trunk would have been like a total slaying boss babe box, but I would never ever wear this. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the jacket. I actually kind of like the jacket. It's too pink, it's way too pink. I don't know if you can tell on the camera just how pink it is, but I was looking for more of a blush pink, and this is like, if you wear a lot of pink and this works into your wardrobe, that's great, but I really like a certain pink, and this is like bubblegum pink. It has these really cute double-breasted, I think that's what that's called, buttons, and it has like these little crowns with an anchor, so it's very preppy. It's a little J. Crew-like. The brand is Boden, so it's really high quality. If there were just a couple changes to it, I would really like it. It fits me really well. This is a size 6. But another thing I do like about this blazer is look at that really cute dot lining. So cute. I am wearing the black pants again. It originally had me pairing this with the navy pants, I think, or the black pants, but considering how much I didn't like the navy pants, I decided for the black pants, especially since it was being paired with the shoes, and I think those go better because there's black in the shoes, and obviously the pants. I don't think I mentioned before that the pants are a size 4. Here, let me back up. All right, so let's get the blazer off and show you this shirt underneath that is kind of ruining the whole outfit. So I think the most frustrating thing about this shirt is that I actually really like the shirt itself. I just don't like the color. And I'll show you a picture somewhere on, probably right here. I'll show you a picture right here of what it looks like online, and it said the color was nude, but it definitely looked white. And so I thought it was a very pale, slight beige that would go really well with my skin tone. This really clashes and really makes me wish like I had a way better tan. But you know, we are what we are, and it's taken me many years to accept my very fair skin. But I do like the detailing on the blouse and on the sleeves. Actually, I had plans to wear it this week for a presentation at work, but that's not gonna happen. That's a huge disappointment for me as I end my Boss Babe Trunk Club video. Well, that was a bust. That really sucks. But I'm really disappointed in how this trunk club turned out. I was really hoping for some great pieces that you could really incorporate into your wardrobes for work. Belle Babes, your question of the video is, which of these pieces did you like and dislike? I want to see if maybe I'm just not liking things that everyone else is. Like, is this just me or is it trunk club? But ultimately, I think this is a real challenge because it can be difficult to be dressed well and trendy and sophisticated at work. And so that is kind of my goal in my channel, is to, I'm like shaking, my arms are tired. But that is the goal of my channel, is to meld those two worlds together and really make everything work. So thank you so much again for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. Even if you didn't like what I have in it, it at least like shows me that you love me. Thank you so much again. I'm Jules, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Hey, let's go in like 10 minutes.
Okay. We need to leave.
We need to get going.